OpenAI's ChatGPT is one of the most popular tools out there that you can use to help with your day-to-day activities. We're going to walk you through how to get signed up and set up with ChatGPT, and then walk through a few examples that you might be able to use in your day-to-day activities on the job. The first thing you're going to want to go do is navigate to chat.openai.com. There, you're going to click sign up, you're going to enter an email, and you're going to choose a password for yourself. And then once you've done that, it's going to send you an email where you can verify that email address. You'll click a link in that email, and then it will ask you to enter your name, your birthday, and include your phone number. You're set up to use ChatGPT. So on that same website, you'll click New Chat up in the top left corner, and that will give you a prompt where you can enter in anything you like, and ChatGPT can hopefully help you out. So let's say you want to write an email to someone you don't know how to start. You can in that prompt type in what you're trying to get at with your email and to whom, and then hit go, and ChatGPT will form an email for you that then you can edit as needed. Let's say there's something a little bit more construction related. You don't know what Division 3 is in CSI master format. You can say, hey, what's Division 3? And it'll tell you, hey, it's concrete. Here are all the subdivisions and more details about that master format. And lastly, one of the most powerful things you can do is you can actually drop in a transcription from, let's say, your meeting minutes, and it'll actually give you kind of a summary of that meeting and also give you to-do items for that meeting. These are just a few neat things you can do, but explore on your own and see what other awesome things you can do with ChatGPT.